Hi, I'm Nick.
And I'm Jack.
He's gay.
And I wish he was.
Today we're going to show you guys how to make slime, and this is our first time doing this, so learn from our mistakes.
We went to Five Below today, and not sponsored. And we got these two different kits. Mine is Holographic Slime Goop, and Nick's is Glow in the Dark. So let's see if that's true.
Let's begin.
First, open the box. What? Okay, so we got all of our ingredients all out here. So we have the glue. Nick has this weird, just plain white glue.
I got some, this is like glow in the dark, I guess. This is
Glow in the dark powder.
Glow in the dark pixie dust.
Get away from me. And then we also got packages of Sodium Tetraborate. It says it's not food and don't eat it.
And I got green dye, so it's gonna make everything pop, make everything interesting. We also got 2 of each of everything that we need because we want to double the size of our slime. So what this ingredient calls for is 180 milliliters of water, and we have that right here, right there. Boom.
So let's get started. This is gonna turn out watery and gross.
Oh, that's my middle name. Alright, so the first thing that we're doing right now is we're measuring our water and we're putting it in the bowl. You have your bowl, I have mine. Boom, boom.
The instructions say that we need 2 spoonfuls of the Sodium Tetraborate. And then mix into the water until it's fully dissolved. Are you gonna get that knife? Oh god, stop. No.
Was that a knife?
It was scissors.
Don't try this at home. So now we're gonna start stirring our Sodium Tetraborate and wait for it to dissolve. It's okay. We don't need to.
I've been pelted. The next step is to add as much glitter glue as you would like into your solution.
Oh yeah.
And then mix it with the mixing stick. It looks like just unicorn poop. No, I think I messed it up.
Oh, looks like a very sad marshmallow. Alright, so now I'm going to add some dye to my slime. And the majority of all these ingredients you can find at a craft store, and they shouldn't cost you more than $5. But if you want to get all fancy and whatnot, then go for it and get whatever you want. Now I'm going to add my glow-in-the-dark paint and see how this turns out.
Oh.
Now I'm going to add my little glow-in-the-dark dust. I'm not sure what it does, but it looks really cool, so.
I don't know what else to do. She's a goner.
Oh, now it's crunchy.
You didn't even add the glitter. I don't even get to add any glitter and have any fun with it. So now I'm gonna add my glitter and really just hope for the best and pray that maybe God will help me.
Yours looks real bad.
Yours looks worse, at least mine is fun.
Mine is glow in the dark.
You don't even know that.
Overall, this entire process has taken us maybe 15 minutes and we're almost done. It's not a time consumer.
I will never do a DIY video ever again. Look at this! They're like chicken nuggets!
Alright, and now we're gonna show you our final results. Well, this is both of our results. Jack has the unicorn chicken nuggets, and I have decent oh, it broke. And now let's put it to the test. Can it last in the dark? Let's see. Oh, come on. Oh. Well, thank you guys so much for watching our DIY slime video. We really hope you enjoyed it. I know it's not exactly what we had in mind, but I enjoyed it. Did you enjoy it?
Yeah, it was good.
And you know what? We hope you enjoy it too.
If you guys want the ingredients or if you want to know what kits we use, they will be in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and comment all of your ideas for other videos and what you think of this one.
Yep, and we'll see you next week for another random video. And cut. It's still not glow in the dark.